Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new week. If you haven't checked out my last couple of videos, please go do. We're going crazy with the content, right? Breaking down as much as I can for you guys, being as transparent as I can. I haven't advertised it at all in the past month, I believe, but I do have a free Telegram where I'm doing daily breakdowns every other day and occasionally a signal. I haven't really taken as many trades, so if you guys are interested, please join in the link below. And if you guys are interested in daily signals and daily breakdowns and mentorship, forex course, and all that good stuff, it's going to be in the academy, so you guys can also email me or reach out on Instagram through there. But what today I want to get to today to start off the week, right, is a GBP USD breakdown, because I'm not in love with GJ setups at all. I don't like the GJ market. I do like GU a little bit better, so this is kind of where I'm gonna see and explore my options, right? A lot of fishing to see, and I'm curious. So first things first, with NAP week being December 5th, I'm going to check out the news, and we have no news, right? USD, we're pretty much clear until 10 a.m. I never usually hold trades at 10 a.m. I usually get in the London session, so if I'm in late New York, I should probably be break even or, in drawdown or something. I should be out of it. So I'm not really worried about that. But I am going to be bringing down GBP USD because I think there's actually some great opportunities to take from GBP USD. But we're going to have to be very, very careful. Now, while I do a little commentary, right, talking about, GBP USD, I'm breaking down GBP USD, but I really wanted to make this video right now while I'm breaking down GU to talk about starting off your trading week, right? Getting ready for the week, how to get ready for the week, how to set up for the week, and what I personally do. And I kind of do a couple of things, right? So when it comes to doing my pre-week analysis, right, I do a couple of things, right? So you might have seen on the screen in the beginning, I use something called Evernote. That's where I track all my trades. So I kind of get that set up for the week. And I kind of just like to see how last week went. And last week was pretty dry for me. I didn't take any trades. And yeah, basically, I use Evernote to kind of come in and track my trades, put in screenshots, descriptions, and I kind of just go over the last week, what happened last week, anything important that I should know on last week. So that is first things first, right? That is what I do in the beginning of the week. I go and see last week's trades, right? I kind of review last week, see what happened, what I can learn from, and what we did good, right? Don't forget that what you can learn from what you did wrong and what you did right, bring that into the next week and learn from them. And something that I recently have been doing, this is the second thing actually, I have been daily jotting down in a new notebook everything that happens, right? All my just thoughts throughout the day on trading. All my thoughts throughout the day on trading, notes on what happened during the session, whether I took a trade, whether I didn't take a trade, and I kind of want to show you that right now. My girlfriend actually designed the cover for me. You guys know I like Naruto, and she did half Naruto, half Sasuke. It's a little weird because it's glued on, but this is the notebook. So in the notebook right here, I'm basically kind of just writing the day, what happened, what didn't happen, what I expected to happen, and basically literally everything, So yesterday before session, even though we didn't trade, I wrote all my thoughts on pre-market analysis, what I had going into the week, the things we have to work on, the things I could do better, and right now I'm going to do the same exact thing. So I also have been jotting down on a notebook everything about trading every single day, and I kind of want to review this at the end of every week. So getting ready for the trading week, it kind of sets the tone for the week, right? Especially for me, I feel very professional when I do that. I enjoy doing this, I love doing this, and it kind of sets you up for the week. You want to be organized. I say this to everybody: trading is like a business. It is your business, right? So treat it like one. Respect it and take your time with it, right? So that's kind of a big thing I would love to tell you guys is to treat your trading like it's your business, because it is. It is. So GBP USD isn't taking a lot of time. This video is going to be quick. So on top of going over last week and bring those notes into this week, jotting everything down, getting ready for the week now, set your goals. That is something very important I want you guys to do. I want you guys to set your goals. I want you guys to manifest. I want you guys to believe in it, that they are going to come true. And when it comes to manifesting in the law of attraction, you have to be specific, right? What are your goals? Write them down, right? Write them down. I made a video over here on FTMO explaining their new rules and their new challenges. And my goal, I have an overall goal, and I'm going to be a supreme extreme trader. If you guys don't know what that is, go watch the video and I'll explain everything that it is. So yeah, make sure you write your goals every single week. What is your goals for the week? Whether it be percentage wise, whether it be trading wise, whether it be profitability wise. Maybe you just want to learn more. Maybe you want to create a better habit. You know what? These are the things that are going to set you up for success, and then you should write them down and be keen to what's happening, right? You know, be alert, be mindful of what you want, and you know, go out there and work for it, right? But overall on GBP USD, right, to kind of wrap up everything, I want to make this a quicker video. I actually in the free Telegram, so in the free Telegram, I came over here and I kind of shared GBP USD, a trade scenario or a trade idea that actually ended up coming through, right? We ended up hitting all take profits. This wasn't a position, this wasn't a signal, this was just, you know, this was the before and after, right? So I'm doing this every single day if you guys are interested. So, you know, coming off of yesterday in GBP USD, we did have this big move to the downside, which actually cleared a zone of about 69 pips, which is honestly really great. So heading into this week, what do I have, right? And I have a couple of things, you know, not very high probable setups, which I don't like, and that's really what I'm focused on is high probability setups. But you know, what do I have on GBP USD? Well, I actually have a couple of things. I see that this over here is a high, right? Price has came down here, rejected this level, and created a lower high, which is the main reason why I had price shorting down to here. But now that we're down here, what do we have? We have major supply and demand over here, right? Major. Even in the previous day, you have these 2 weeks, these 2 4-hour candles rejecting once, rejecting twice. Last time that happened, we flew all the way to the upside, at least to this next area of support and resistance. The thing is that I wouldn't dare to get in here. To me, this is the middle of the trade. So what would I look for? I would like for a price action, and I would like for these price itself to come down in here, and then I'll take a trade under here, right? And you guys know me, you know, I always keep my options open, and that's for a bullish bias, right? I do believe price can come down here and reject this level all the way down here. We're also rejecting the 0.50 right now, but that's not really important because this is based on the higher time frames. You can see right here that we're in a bullish trend right now. So going short's a really a little risky, right? I would only go short if this were to happen, right? If we actually completely clear through this level, retest, and then drop back down, and I'll take my first take profit at around 1.25725. This is a very nice setup right here. This would be a complete break of structure and a complete break of the supply and demand area, right? But for now, I actually don't think that would happen. I don't think we'll break through. My best bet right now is for price to come back and tap into this level right here, and then for price to fly up to 1.26740. So that's about it. This is what I'm going to be looking for. Wait for price to come down here, get a little price action signal, and as you get a price action signal such as an engulf or, you know, a candle formation, break above, you know, I would probably take a position somewhere like this, right? Target this area first, and maybe these highs second for a 3.4 to 1. And before I leave, last thing, I'm going to be live streaming every other day, Monday, Wednesday, and maybe Fridays on Twitch. I can't figure it out on YouTube, so I'm going to be going on Twitch, The Real Alex Romero. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. Deuces.